Morning, family. Ham's Loft. It's about 6:15. I spent about 20 minutes getting them. I grabbed 53. I had two old birds. One old bird I put back in the other section because I didn't want them flying with the team. 10 birds, 9 birds right there with the yellow snap bands I moved over. Oh, by the way, it's Ham's Loft. If I didn't say, it's early in the morning. Assalamu alaikum. So I got 9 birds with the yellow bands over here. They haven't really flown that much. A couple of times I pushed them out, but I don't think they have flown around enough where I feel comfortable. They'll definitely go on the next round. But I got 53 birds that we're gonna do our first toss. All right, let's go take a look at them. All right, family. Got my birds. Like I said, I think it's 53. Everybody knows, man, when you count 1 minute, the count seems good. Hell, I don't know. But I'm going to go with 53, one old bird. So the 52 with one old bird. And 6:22, I think it is. And sunrise east. Okay, family, I set my trip reader to 0. I know it's not going to be air miles, but we'll go with. And the time is 6:28 with 68 degrees. Let's get where I'm going. Okay, family, it's you can say 1.6 miles, which I really think it's about 1.1 air miles. And it's now 6:33. All right, family, that's east. And I got the birds out right now. And we're gonna let them sit for a little bit. They're not moving around that much, so I used my tarp because I didn't bring my broom and dustpan with me. So we're gonna give them a few minutes and then I'll hit it back on. Okay, family, it's been a little over 5 minutes. I'm gonna go on and toss them and see what they do. You can see they're all over the place. Not really that much all over the place. They got one group right there. Looks like the main body. Everybody is grouped up. At least everybody going the same direction. Not really together. All right, I see. It's like nobody know who's the boss. There we go. Everybody in the group together. No singles. The whole group is together. Straggle on the end. I think they gotta go that way. We already know the sun is that way. All right, we're gonna go on and pack it up. They still flying, but we'll pack it up. All right, family, I'm at the house. We see 3.3 miles. So let's see. I just seen only one bird when I got here flying. So let's take a look. All right, family. 2 birds. And because the other ones on the inside's got the yellow snap band, so we know that's not them. We got 2 right there. So, got 1 right there flying. So we missing 50 birds. 50 of them. But we're gonna just see what it do. I'm gonna put you on pause and just hang around. I got a little bit, got almost 45 minutes before I have to be leaving here to go to work. So, but let me explain. First of all, our club flies from west to east, so I only train my birds west to east. If I was doing a white pigeon release, I would train my birds all directions, but my birds only gonna learn one main direction. They get lost, they just get lost. But that's the way we fly, west to east, so I train west to east. Cuts down on me. I don't need a rocket science bird, I just need a bird to come home. Okay, see what we got. There they go, family. It's 6. Shit, my clock's out. My clock says 6. Oh, that's the flying time. That's on the clock. I don't even know. Oh man, I don't even know what time it is. But it's got to be about 6:45 or 6:50, something like that. But we do have a group that's just right there. Of course, they'll be going back to the same location. I can tell you just by looking at that group, that's not 50. But it's a good group. I have to count them tonight. So that's the first toss. One, just a little over a mile, probably air miles, but driving it was 1.6 miles. I'll try to take a shortcut on the way back. But I thought the birds should be able to find their way home pretty quick. But they did, majority of them made it home. I will drop the trap, call them in for feeding. It's water. Well, I ain't even put water in, but I'll put water in just a minute. All right, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think, first flight. Peace. I hadn't cut the camera off because I was getting in water. Just got hit by the hawk. Got 1 bird right there. You got the main group right there. The other one's getting on board. I tell you, man, they all seem to be getting together now. As much as I hate the hawks, every now and then one of them suckers help you out. But yeah, that's I was putting electrolytes in their water, but just when I turned around, they went crazy, and then the hawk went straight in the bushes. So you might can hear the crows in the background. But those ain't crows, those are, I think, mockingbirds. But yep, they pushed them up. They'll probably be up there for a little while. But we got 1 lone survivor who's bold right there. The rest of them are gone. 3 stragglers, and then the main bulk right there. A few stragglers. All right, let me finish getting their water together. All right, family, comment, subscribe, do what you do. Peace.